Hey, hi all, welcome to Coding World. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to set up live server in Visual Studio Code. So I have opened my Visual Studio Code and I have nothing in this project. I have only index.html page. So from scratch, I will show how to install live server in Visual Studio Code and run that with the your index.html page. So first you have to go to the plugin folder and search for the live server. So from this live server, you have to install the live server which is developed by Retweak Day. If you click here, I have already installed that. That's why it's showing uninstall. If you see here in below, it is showing the how it works and sample snippet also. So I already installed that. Let's do something in index.html. So you will see the result on web browser by launching live server. So I have created a sample HTML page where in title I am setting as a live server. In body I will type something like welcome to coding world. So I have saved this index.html page. Let's run this using our live server. So if you click in on index.html page and right click, you will be having one option like open with a live server. So let's open with a live server. Yes, it is open in my browser and it is showing that welcome to coding world, and this is our local server and this is index.html page. So if you do any changes in your code, it will automatically reflect the changes. I will show it here. I'm writing learning live server. So if you save, that page will get automatically refreshed and it will populate the result. Yes, I have not refreshed this page and the result is getting populated. So this is a small demo of how to set up live server in Visual Studio Code and run our HTML pages on live server. Thank you all. If you like these types of technical video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want any technical topic video, please comment in comment box. Thank you.